And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is what's inside my handbag for our holiday. So it's just everything that I'm going to need for the flight. I have not added a book in there, but probably be too excited on the way on to the holiday. Plus our flight is 3:40, I think it is, in the afternoon. So I probably won't have enough time to actually read on the plane because I'll be too excited. Plus I've got to learn everything as well, how to get there, what to do, what I have to do when we get to actually Tenerife, you know, stuff like that. So I will probably be on red alert. I will be filming on the plane as well, like little bits of like the takeoff and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll probably be watching a film or something. I haven't put a book in my bag because obviously I'll probably be just watching a film or something on the plane or too nervous, you know. So I've popped everything else that I'm going to need. There is something in here you're probably thinking, why have you put that in there? But I'll explain everything along the way. So if you guys haven't seen the Amazon holiday haul part 2, then you wouldn't have known where this bag is from. So I actually got this bag from Amazon. It's a Michael Kors bag. It's not the real thing, it's the dupe, but I still love it nevertheless. And it cost me £133. I love it to bits. I do have another Michael Kors bag, which I did actually buy for the holiday, but it was too small. I couldn't put hardly anything that I wanted to put in there for like my handbag for the plane. So hence why I got this one. I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. I love the style. I love the colour of it. It's so me. Well, they had other colours on there, but this one stood out more to me. They had black, brown, this one, and one more colour, I think. But this one actually stood out more than all the others. So it's quite big and spacious. It's got 3 compartments, 2 the sides and 1 in the middle. So I'm going to show you what I have packed in here so far. I'll probably end up might changing my mind or add a few more things in, but first things first, on the one of the sides I have my snacks organizer in here. Now obviously it's empty at the moment because obviously the day before we go on holiday, that is when I'm going to get my snacks in Tesco's. So obviously the day before we go, which is on the 2nd of July, I've got so much to do that day. I've got my hair and my nails getting done. I've got to go around my sister's, sort everything out that she needs help with, and then we're going to go to Tesco straight after and get our snacks for the plane, hence why this is empty at the moment. So like this won't be empty by then. And then obviously come home, I want to try and save some money for that day so I can have a nice takeaway, and then have a nice bath, have a nice relaxing bath and everything, put my hair in heatless curlers so my hair will be curly, ready for the holiday or the start of the holiday, and then have a nice chilled out night. So yeah, that is why the snacks organizer is empty at the moment, because I still need to fill that up, but that will be filled up the day before we go. Then I just have a pack of wipes in here. Now the only reason why I've put a pack of wipes in my handbag is because when you get off the plane, you're going to be all hot and sweaty, you know, that heat had just hit you. I'm not wearing any makeup on the way there because what is the point when it's just going to melt off your face anyway? Like in July when we're going, it's going to be kind of warm here and it's going to be really hot in Tenerife, so your makeup will just literally just melt off you. So I've got a pack of Neutrogena wipes, which I absolutely love. These are the best wipes that I've ever had, and I did actually get these from Amazon as well, which is in my Amazon holiday part 2, I do believe. So yeah, I got them from Amazon, which are amazing. And then in the other side of the open zip bag, I have a notebook. Now this is the part where you're probably thinking, why have you got a notebook in your bag? So if you guys don't know, me and Lisa haven't been to Tenerife in such a long time. Well, put it this way, the last time we went to Tenerife, our mum was alive and it was a family of 4. So me, Lisa, mum and dad. So obviously mum and dad took control of the whole holiday. They packed all the suitcases, they organised absolutely everything, and they knew what to do. So this time it's down to me and Lisa alone to do everything. So I've not actually been abroad on my own without any parents, so it's going to be all new to me. So hence why I bought a notebook, so I can write a few things down for the holiday, like where we have to go to check in. You guys are probably thinking, Lauren, it's so easy, just follow the instructions. Yeah, but I've never done it before, so just bear with me with all this. So hence why I've got a notebook. I do have a pen as well to match, so I can write everything down. Then I can write down like our flight numbers and stuff. If I don't want to keep getting my phone out, checking my phone, I can write everything down in here. Flight numbers, everything. So I can then get this out instead of keep getting my phone out all the time trying to get the app open, just in case my signal is crap at the airport. So I'm just getting my notebook out and get everything out I need from there. I do have the pen actually. There's the pen. Little flamingo ones to match. But yeah, and then I've got a new phone case which is going to go on my phone the day before the holiday. So obviously that's in my handbag at the moment. This actually matches one of my beach towels, which I think is quite cute. If I'm missing anything from my handbag, then please let me know in the comment section below, because I would love to know if I'm missing anything, or I need to take something out to replace something, or I need to add something in. Then please feel free to let me know, because it will come in very, very handy if you guys have any advice as well. Then I have my little organizer. Now, for those of you who don't know what this is like a sanitary organizer, I would say. So at the moment, my tracker is saying that I will not be coming on holiday, but you never know with periods, do you? So that's probably TMI, but I like to be safe than sorry. So I do actually have some in my suitcase already for the holiday, but just in case, if I do come on the way there to the holiday. Then I have my little pill organiser, which I've got to fill it up with my tablets that I take every day, so I can still take them on holiday with me. Then I have these two little things. So this is a little mini perfume bottle, which I did actually fill up with one of the Ghost perfumes, but I wanted the Christina Aguilera Glam perfume, which you guys would have seen, but I think Amazon must have given me a dud one, because every time I tried filling this up, it would not fill up. So now it is completely empty and I've got to fill it up with a perfume. But I've got a perfume in mind which I've got to buy, and this can be filled up with that. Then I have a lip balm. It's a Hawaiian Tropics lip balm. So I am going to get the Malibu lip balms, and they're going to go in my makeup bag, which is in my carry-on bag. So I've literally got 4 lip balms, so my lips will be protective. So I'll have one in each of my handbags on the holiday. So that is everything from them 2 sides of the bag. And now moving on to the main middle part. So in the main middle part, I thought I'd keep all of my proper like valuables and stuff in there. Now I know it's going to be super secured. No one will get in there unless they take my bag off my shoulders and unzip it themselves. So in this middle part, I actually have our medicine bag. So this has our paracetamols and plasters in. So if we have a headache, or if we drink a bit too much, then we've got paracetamols, and we've got plasters in here ready for our new shoes. Because I don't know about Lisa, I think she has bought new shoes, but I know I have. But these are coming in handy for any plasters we have for our new shoes. So I've got them in there. Then I've got my Christina Aguilera perfume in here. So this is actually technically still keeping into my 100 millilitres of liquids, because this is only 50 millilitres. So I'm still in the 100 millilitres. And talking about the sprays, I actually do have a little Mykonos Nights body spray, and this is only 50 millilitres as well. If you've never tried this, I highly recommend. Mykonos Nights body spray I absolutely love. It's my ultimate favourite soap spray in the whole entire world. If I could have loads of these, I would. Then I have my travel mirror. Now, I was going to keep this in my suitcase, then I took it out because I thought it was going to get damaged. Then I put it in my carry-on case and I thought, no, it's probably going to get damaged. So I put it in my handbag instead. So yeah, I hope to God it keeps it safe. But yeah, if you've not seen this, let me pop the bag down a minute. It's a ginormous travel mirror. and it does light up as well. Obviously I'll have to turn it on at the bottom, but it does light up and it's absolutely massive and I absolutely love it. And it does, like I said, it stands up, so it's perfect as well, so I don't have to keep holding it while I'm doing my makeup. And then obviously I have my tripod in my bag and my little phone stand, just in case if I'm filming on my phone. Plus when I video call Nathan as well, that'd be handy, because so like if I'm getting ready for like at night time or anything and I'm sitting there putting my makeup on, I can still video call Nathan. Then I have my power bank and my lead, which is in the charger bag there. And then last but no means least, and the most important thing, my passport in my handbag. Now, I have actually seen people on TikTok and Instagram, some people have been putting their passports in their carry-on bag. Now, I know this because obviously it's a really important thing, but if I remember rightly, from the last time we went on holiday, you will constantly be getting out your passport every 5 minutes. Like, you've got to take it out when you check your suitcase in, you've got to get it out for security and then go through your gate, you know, so your passport has literally got to be so close to you because it's got to be easy access, just a quick get it out all the time. So if it's in your carry-on bag, you haven't got time, well, you have got time, but you'll be holding loads of people up at the same time. So if it's somewhere close to you, right next to you, it's so easy just to quickly get it out your handbag and pop it to the person that needs it, so they can quickly have a look at it and then hand it back to you, so you're not faffing around all the time. So yeah, loads of people have been putting them in their carry-on bags, but I'm going to keep mine in my handbag because it's easier access to get in and out if I ever need it, and then I ain't got to faff around to try and look for my passport in my carry-on bag. So that is everything that is going into my handbag. So this has been what's in my handbag ready for the holiday. Like I said, if there's anything you think I'm missing or I need to add in there, then please feel free to let me know in the comment section below. We still have, well, it's nearly the end of April now, so by the time this video goes up, we would have 2 months left until the holiday. So if there's any advice that you would give us, or anything that you think I should know, or anything I should add in to either my suitcase, hand luggage, or my handbag, then please let me know if I'm missing absolutely anything. I don't think I'm missing anything, but you guys probably know more than I do. So guys, that has been what's in my handbag. I hope you guys have enjoyed. As always, if you have enjoyed this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.